Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how the way to make your text have their own video viewing on it using VN Editor. The way to do that, it's so very simple. First, you need to open your VN and then make a new project and create a video of a text like this. I already prepared it for you, so it will be much more fast. Okay, I already create this text, adding it onto the background. For the font, I'm changing the font from the regular font onto this Molot font, make it much more bold. And after that, you just need to save this design, save it. And now the next part, you need to open a new project again and then insert the design that you are saved before onto it, just like this. And now the next part, you need to click this symbol to add a new footage. I already prepared a 3 video, so I will adding the 3 of it onto this project. Click it and then adding it again, this one, and the last one is this one. And now the next part, you just need to positioning each video onto each letters on this clip like this. And the next part is this one. I'm going to put it on this 8, sorry, this one, and the third one is this one. I'm going to put it on the the K. And now after that, click each clip and then click this mask button and use this rectangle mask, and now positioning it like this. Make sure it's on each letter on this clip like that, and then check it. When you're done, go to the next video, as same as the previous one, add a mask tools onto it and try to make the mask cover the letters like this. Then the third video, same as before, add a mask button and then positioning it like this. Okay, I think I'm going to like this and like this. And when you're done, now go back to your clip and click the overlay clip and click this blending tools and use this multiply. And when you use this multiply blending, as you can see, the video is already blending onto the letters, just like that. And do the rest of the clip like that. Okay, after finish, now you just need to make the duration from each clip is same duration, like this. A bit more, okay. And after done, this is the result that you will get. As you can see, there's a 3 different video and it's moving on their own in each letter. That's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.